Hello again, everyone. It's Vince4 from TradeWinds.com, and this is our update for July 23rd, 2017. Let's take a quick look at how the markets closed off on Friday. Mostly lower on Friday. Stocks sold off a little bit ahead of a huge week coming up for Wall Street. We'll get into it as we go through these charts. The Dow on Friday down 31 points. It actually got back to that 20-period moving average before bouncing. The S&P 500 was pretty much flat, down a little less than a point. The NASDAQ market was down about 2.25. Very, very small moves to the downside, but nevertheless, we did close lower. The Russell, a little deeper in the red, down 6.5. Now, bonds bounced another half a point, while gold had a decent day. It was up almost 10 points. And crude, though, did not have a good day, down almost 1.5 points. Now, this gets really, really interesting for crude. We got that move sharply above the moving average. Now it's coming back to retest it. Can it hold it? Or is this going to be the next breakdown? This will all be decided in the next day or two. Keep an eye on that. The dollar also coming up, a big test coming up for the dollar as well. You look at the daily chart and we're in a free fall here, but when you start looking at the weekly or the monthly, you can see it's coming up to some very, very key support levels here, and this is going to be very interesting. Now, I mentioned it's a big week coming up. Don't blink or you will miss something this week. Not only do we have a lot of earnings coming up, we have a lot of news overall. So earnings this week, we have McDonald's, Caterpillar, 3M, Google tomorrow. That will be very interesting. Facebook, Amazon, Boeing, Coca-Cola, Procter & Gamble, you name it, across the board. A lot of big names announcing this week. Google kicks things off tomorrow after the close. Going to be very, very interesting. Also, Monday, existing home sales. Tuesday, Redbook and consumer confidence. Wednesday's a big day. We have the NBA mortgage apps number, new home sales number, and the FOMC meeting announcement. Will the Fed hike rates once again? I'm in the doubtful camp this time around. I still think we're going to see another rate hike before the end of the year. I wouldn't even rule out 2 more, but I don't think we're going to see anything on Wednesday, but that will be a big meeting. We'll see if there's any language in the statement from Janet Yellen hinting at what's to come. Thursday, durable goods orders, jobless claims, and money supply. And Friday, we have GDP, consumer sentiment, and the Baker Hughes rig count. That's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on our next update.